today's world, you find out that there are so many people out there that just want to come to you to get knowledge, to get your ideas on so many things, to actually seek advice from you. But yes, we know that it is good to help people to share knowledge, share ideas and all of that. But there are so many that come to you. They are actually time wasters. So I'm going to show you in this video today how you can filter out those that genuinely come to you for advice, those that genuinely come to you to get knowledge and ideas, and those that actually come to you to waste your time. If you have ideas to share out there, do you know that you can actually monetize your knowledge? Those days are gone when people will just pick your brain. Now you can genuinely help people that need your help, but those that are time wasters, they pay for it, they pay for your time. Particular app I'm going to show you today, many celebrities are using it. You know, like people slide into your DM and you find out that there are so many messages you have there. You don't even know which one to respond to. But if you have this particular app, it makes life easy, makes things easy, because those that will pay you the price that you have set will be actually those that are genuinely serious in getting your ideas and in chatting with you. You're gonna download the app, register, or you sign up to the platform, then you will be the one to set your own price. Yes, you're going to set the rate that you want to charge. Whatever rate you want to charge, anybody that comes to your inbox and they go to the app, and if they are happy to pay the rate you have stipulated, why not? You go ahead, you accept. But the good thing is, if somebody have paid you the amount you have set, at the end of the day, probably you don't have time to chat with the person or to respond to the person. Whatsoever money they had paid goes back to them. That's how good this platform is. Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Online Cashcraft. What we talk about here is different ways that you can make money online. If you are somebody like me that like to make money online, and yeah, so you are in the right place. If you have been here before, thank you so much, and let me say thank you to my amazing subscribers and those that always come back to support me. And if today is your very first time of coming across my page, thank you so very much. I appreciate your time. So in today's video, I'm going to show you an amazing app that you can use to chat with people. Let me say that this app, so many celebrities use it. You know, celebrities, they have a lot of fans, and their fans always want to chat with them, want to have a conversation with them. So celebrities use this app. Why? Because it enables them to filter out those that are coming to their inbox that are not serious. The app is beneficial for both celebrities and both the followers, because as a follower, you don't even know how to reach your favorite celebrity. But if you know they have this particular app, they are registered into this platform, it makes life easy for you. All you need to go do is you just go there, go to the platform, you search for your favorite celebrity, and you have a look how much they have set as the rate they are collecting, or the rate you have to pay them for them to give you that attention that you want from them. So you find out that both the celebrity will benefit and the follower also benefit. People that are serious to gain knowledge from you, not people that will just come and pick your brain. No, time are gone when people will just come pick your brain, get your knowledge for free. Monetize your knowledge in so many different ways. This is what I'm going to show you with this particular app. So guys, this is Talkroom. This is the app that lets your followers, your fans to pay before they can message you. Yeah, Talkroom lets people pay before messaging you. This is the good thing with this particular platform. People cannot just slide into your DM and all of that. It's a come on to chat and network, right? People cannot just slide into your DM and start messaging you. They have to pay for that. So you can get this with Google Play and App Store, right? And yeah, whether you're a celebrity, you earn money and all of that, you need Talkroom. Your time is valuable and so is your inbox space. Talkroom helps you prioritize who you reply to while you earn money from answering those messages. You can see, so it's not a question of anybody just sliding into your DM. No, they will pay before they can get access to you. Connect with anyone on the internet quickly, right? And yeah, it says on Talkroom, people pay before messaging you. This filters out all time wasters, beggars, and spammers, so real connections can be made quickly. You know, those people that will slide in and they just there to waste your time. So with Talkroom, there is no such thing. Talkroom is pretty easy to use. Now, if it is pretty easy to use, how do you go about it? It takes just a few minutes to create a profile, right? Set a price and start getting paid for your time. You are the one that will set what price you want to be paid to you. Learn more about how the app works and all of that. Yeah, so it's not something that is difficult. It's something anybody can do, you see. So earn money while you chat. As you're chatting, you're earning money. Never let anyone pick your brain for free ever again. You know, there are people that love to pick people's brain. Get paid every single time someone online seeks your advice. So if you are someone who is a specialist in some field, you can make money with that. Filter the noise from your inbox, right? With a paywall in front of your chat. They'll put a paywall in front of your chat. Every single person you interact with has something important to discuss. You never have to engage with, you know. So use Talkroom, ease of use. It is ease of use. Multiple currency support. So they support irrespective of where you are. Talkroom will support the currency that applies to where you live. Now, multiple currency support, you can get paid on Talkroom no matter where in the world you are. So you can agree with me that this platform is accessible from anywhere in the world, as we support a multiple of national and cryptocurrencies. So you get paid as well. If you want cryptocurrency payments, it is also available. If you want more information, you click on Learn More. Now with Talkroom as well, you can build your network. Yes, you can build your network with Talkroom. So build your network, charge as much as you want, accept as many chat requests as you are able to answer, get paid immediately the chat session is over. So as soon as the chat session is over, you're getting paid. This is amazing platform, guys. So you might want to just give it a go, get ahead of the crowd. Yeah, so how can you get this? You download it with Android, iOS. So any phone you're using, you can get this particular platform. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do give me a subscribe. Do not forget to click on the bell notification so that whenever I upload any new video, you'll be the first to be notified. And please don't forget to give me a thumbs up for this video. I hope you have been able to find value in this particular video. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and I hope to see you in my next. Thank you.